You are not lazy, you're just believing on the wrong thoughts. You see, procrastination starts as small, quiet mental lies. You will hear yourself believing that, oh, I'm not ready, I'm not enough, I'll start later. Those are mental lies. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 6 powerful steps that are going to help you rewire these thoughts, that are going to kill self-doubt, and that are going to help you take action now. Welcome to day 6 of Reset Your Mindset Challenge. So to step number 1, catch the thought before it spreads. The first step to retraining your mind is through awareness. You have to be very keen to pay attention to what you say to yourself before you procrastinate. Is it shame? Is it doubt? Is it to do with perfectionism? You have to write it down and you have to say it loud. Remember, name it so that you'll be able to tame it. Step 2, question the thought. It's very important for you just not to believe everything that you think. Question yourself, is this thought absolutely true? What else could be true instead? Interrupt automatic loop by choosing to challenge the negative thoughts. That is very, very important. Step number 3, replace it with a power phrase. It's very important for you, once you've figured out the negative thought, to replace it with a power phrase. For example, you can tell yourself, done is better than perfect, and keep on repeating this every time these negative thoughts show up. To step number 4, speak to yourself like you'll speak to your best friend. You see, you'll never tell your friend that you're not good enough or that you're lazy. So why do you tell that to your own self? So it's the high time that now you flip the script and start encouraging yourself. Stop talking to yourself like someone that you truly love. And remember, kindness fuels progress, whereas on the other side, self-shame fuels procrastination, and you really, really don't want that. So be kind to yourself all the time and talk to yourself like you truly love yourself. Talk to yourself like you would talk to your best friend. To step number 5, you need to visualize the confident version of you. You need to take at least 1 to 2 minutes to picture the future you who is already doing what you're afraid of doing right now. See her in action, focused, energized, and very proud. And let that mental image lead your decision because you're becoming her. And to our final step of the day, step number 6, take action even when you're doubting yourself. You don't have to wait to be confident. You don't have to wait to be perfect for you to take that first step. You just need to take action. Remember that it's in taking action that you're able to build confidence. Confidence is a motion, and the way you can build it is through taking action. So don't wait for perfectionism. That doesn't exist. Take your first action today. So as usual, we end it with a daily challenge. And our daily challenge of the day, I'll ask you to catch one negative thought that keeps you stuck. Number 1, catch that one negative thought that keeps you stuck. Number 2, come up with a power phrase and replace that negative thought with the power phrase. And number 3, take small action while saying the power phrase out loud. That is our daily challenge for the day. Tomorrow will be our final day. But before we look at what we'll do, remember to like this video, remember to share this video, and remember to subscribe, guys. That is the only way you can support me and to help me grow. And also do not forget to put your progress on the comment section. Let me know, how do you find the challenge from day 1 to now, day 6, and tomorrow, our final day, day number 7. So guess what, guys? Tomorrow it's going to be different because we are going to build an anti-procrastination blueprint for us. An anti-procrastination blueprint that you can use for the rest of your life. That is what we are going to work on tomorrow. But to our power statement, as usual, before you leave, power statement of the day, I don't wait to be ready. I build confidence through action. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.